Oh, Abby. Here.
What?
Oh, try drawing.
Drawing what?
Oh, can you draw what attacked you?
Okay. Slow. Nick, hey, buddy. Can you tell us what happened?
Animal attacked. Where's Abby?
He's super out of it, man.
We need to know what happened.
Right. There was a guy there, but there was some kind of animal.
The hell? What fucking kind of animal does this?
Is Abby?
Yeah, hey, she's okay, dude. She's right over there.
Big claws, teeth right on top of me. I think it was a bear.
Full-size bear would have crushed him. There's no way.
I thought we don't get bears around here.
No,
Oh, fuck. Look at that.
Oh, shit.
That black stuff? That's infection. It's spreading. This is bad. This is really bad, dude.
Sorry. You're okay. It's okay.
fuck, that hurt.
We should amputate. We should cut it off before the infection spreads.
What?
Why would we do that?
I don't know, man. Look at that black stuff.
What do you think it is?
Do I look like a doctor?
I can't remember much. I mean, I don't even know what I saw.
Holy shit.
Fuck.
Who's there?
Ryan, what if it's Jacob or Emma?
What if it's not?
Be careful. It was probably nothing.
Yeah. But is it gone? Yeah, you better run.
Very brave.
All right. So, Lodge is sounding pretty good right about now, yeah?
Wait, no, don't shoot! I'm here to save you. Holy shit. Nick. Is he okay?
Nick and Abby were attacked. In the woods.
Hey, does anybody have any dry clothes? I'm fucking freezing.
All our bags are still in the minivan.
Fuck, of course they are.
So wait, what happened to you?
Right, okay, so, like I was saying, okay? I heard Abby screaming, so I came running, like as fast as I could.
From the lake?
Yeah, and then out of nowhere, I stepped into this, like, I don't know, like a booby trap, like some sort of hunter's trap. The goddamn thing snared my leg, hoisted me halfway into the tree, just zoop. So I'm hanging there, half naked, and then this guy with like a fucking machete comes right up to me, looks me right in the fucking eyes. But I taught that guy a lesson, booked it right the fuck out of there.
We gotta get Nick and Abby back to the lodge. Like, right now.
Hard agree. Also, why are you covered in what I hope is strawberry jelly?
Oh, yeah, no, I'm pretty sure it's blood. There was this guy with like he had like a bottle thing. I don't know, dude. It's like a really long story.
Ew.
Yeah, no, it's super fucked up. I gotta go get Emma.
Excuse me?
Hey, I need this, okay? It's not safe out there.
Dude, we gotta protect Nick and Abby.
Yeah, and I need to save Emma, all right? She's out there alone.
You don't even know if she's in trouble.
You don't even know if you're in trouble.
Are you trying to piss me off?
No, I'm trying to save my girlfriend's life, asshole.
Yeah, I don't think she's your girlfriend, dude. What? Get...
Fuck.
Fucking stop! We're in a real mess here, guys. You're acting like pricks. Both of you. Jacob, we're keeping this. Nick and Abby are injured. We need protection. There's someone around here. Ryan!
Sorry.
This is bullshit.
Make sure she's safe. If she's on the island, she's definitely fine.
And what, risk another run-in with Captain Deliverance? No thanks, okay? There's probably another boat by the zip line. Either way, I can make it to the island from there.
We need to get back to the lodge. Try to get help.
How? Nick can't walk properly. Oh, yeah, I have an idea.
Okay, let's see what tonight brings. Okay, let's see what tonight brings. Okay, here's a riddle for you. What's got two thumbs and is suddenly riding solo
Here's a riddle for you.
on a freaky island
What's
in the
got
dark? Two thumbs
This
and is
fool-
suddenly riding
well,
solo on a
one
freaky
thumb.
island in the
One
dark.
available. This
Thumb.
fool. Well, one thumb. One available.
And it was here,
thumb.
on a strange, uninhabited island that this brave young soul
was
found
here.
herself. On a strange, uninhabited island that this brave young soul found herself. Okay, full disclosure, I've suddenly found myself on a strange, tiny
full
little
disclosure,
island
all alone.
I've
with
suddenly
nothing
found
to
myself
do
on
but show
a-
you guys around.
a strange,
There's
tiny
a
little island
treehouse
all
over
alone
there.
with
I'm gonna
nothing
go
to
and see if
do
I
but
can't
dish
dish
out
out
some
some
of
of
that
that
sweet
There's a
panoramic
treehouse
goodness.
over there.
I'm gonna go and see if I can't dish out some of that sweet,
Because here's
sweet
the thing.
panoramic goodness. Not that I want to go back because I don't, but even if
Because
I
here's the
did,
thing.
I can't.
Not that I
because
want to go
then
back
I'd
because
look
I
like
don't.
the super needy
But
one when
even
he was
if
the
I
one
did,
who stormed off in the first place. Because then I'd look like the super
You know what,
needy
sorry,
one
I'm
when he
venting.
was the one who stormed off
Explore
in the first
venting.
place. You know what? Fuck it.
Let's
You know what?
do
Sorry,
it.
I'm venting.
To the treehouse, fellow
Explore venting.
explorers.
You know what? Fuck it. Let's do it.
To the treehouse, fellow explorers.
So this island is like an unexcavated part of the quarry that rewilded itself after it flooded
So this
into the
island
lake.
is like
an unexcavated
cool,
part
huh?
of the quarry that
You know,
rewilded
when I was
itself
little,
after it flooded
I
into
used
the
to
lake.
think that islands
Pretty
just
cool,
kind
huh?
of would float in
You know,
when I
the
was
water,
little. Kind of
I
like
used
an
to think
airbed.
that
islands just
But
kind of would float in the
I'm older
the
and
water.
wiser now,
Kind of like an
and
airbed.
realize that not
But
everything's always as it
I'm
seems.
older and
Kind of
wiser
like how you
now,
thought
and
you were just having a hot summer
realize
fling,
that
and
not
then it
everything's
turns into
always as it
babysitting a big
seems.
hairy man
Kind of
child.
like how you thought you
It's
were
all
just having a
sad
hot summer
because you
fling,
don't
and
wanna
then
go
it turns
steady
into
with him and write
babysitting a
him
big
love
hairy
letters every
man
freaking
child.
day.
It's
And while
all
we're talking about
sad
it,
because you don't want to go
you don't mind
steady
that we're
with him
talking
and write
about
him
it,
love
right?
letters every freaking
Why?
day.
And why
Why
is
is
it
it
up
up
to
to
me to justify
You don't
my
mind that we're
feelings
talking
when he's
about
the
it,
one who
right?
got all blah about it, you know? Why is it up to me to justify my feelings when he's the one who got all blah about it, you
Oh,
know?
look. A metaphor in the narrative by mean of
Fork in the road.
a metaphor
How
in the
fitting.
narrative by mean
Here's the
of
big question. Fork in the road.
do I
How fitting.
take the high road
Here's
literally
the big question.
and forget about it?
Do I
Or
take the
do
high
I
road
continue on the
literally
path I'm on and forget about
keep
it?
ranting about my
Or
stupid dumb
do I
life?
continue on the path I'm on
I
and
guess
keep
since this
ranting
isn't
about my
live,
stupid dumb life?
the choice is up to me. I guess since this isn't live, the choice is up to me. Ah, what the hell. We're in it now anyway. Well and truly in the thick of it. He sees me as this confident person, but really? I'm just desperate to stay afloat in a world where everyone wants to be different.
actually kind of fun. I feel like this is the first time I've been alone all summer. Kind of like it. I guess that kind of reinforces the whole Jacob thing. I know the plan was for him to come get me, but now that I'm by myself, I kind of like it. Sorry, Jacob, if you're watching. Nothing personal. It's a me thing. We're cool, right? Yeah, we're cool. I mean, who knows? Maybe in 50 years we'll bump into each other and be flooded with fond memories of that one amazing summer at Hackett's Quarry summer camp. And that spark that changed our lives forever. Then we'll be like 70-year-old lovers or whatever and have crazy walker sex. Hey, it could happen. Only time will tell, Jakey boy, and as they say, time makes fools of us all. But we will be the oldest, sexiest fools there ever were. Until then, I gotta do my thing. Sorry, buddy. Guess I gotta do this one-handed, huh? That didn't sound great. Oh, shit. Just thought you should know. I am nailing this ladder climbing. All right. This is the luxurious Skyway treehouse, obviously. Constructed in the year 1800 fuck by a blindfolded man who used only the finest rotting wood, rusty nails, and donkey spit that money could buy. A real Hackett vintage classic. Honey, I'm home. What's that now? I forgot the children's bedtime. Well now, that's a fine how do you do. Take it all in, folks. That's the summer camp experience right there, and oh look. It seems somebody forgot to clear the place out. I guess one of the kids left their stuff, or maybe one of the guys back there. But I don't recognize this. Did you hear that? Looks like we have a choice on our hands. Do we snoop through someone else's belongings? Or do we open the spooky trapdoor and die a horrible, painful death? There are literally no right answers. Bag it is. And you know what? I'm putting some clothes on. This is all you're getting. Fun. Okay, so I think there's something up there. And it is not gonna make me jump, I can promise you that much. Goodbye, cruel world. The final curtain is calling and there's no time for an encore.
Easy.
I got it. He's okay.
Are you in pain?
No, sorry, I'm really hungry.
We'll get you some food inside, okay?
Yeah, okay. Man, I can eat a horse. Oh, man.
I don't know if we'll be able to find you a horse,
I
but
can eat a horse.
maybe some granola? I don't know if we'll be able to find you a horse, but maybe some granola?
Oh, yuck, I hate granola.
This will open the nurse's station. Should be plenty of stuff in there.
Well, hopefully we can
This
just
will
get him
open the
cleaned up for
nurse's
now.
station. Should be plenty of stuff in
I'll
there.
get you something to eat.
Well, hopefully we can just get him cleaned up for now.
I'll get you something to eat.
You and I are gonna find a landline.
Oh, yeah.
You and I are gonna
Isn't
find
there
a
one
landline.
in Mr. H's office? Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Isn't there one in
We'll come meet
Mr.
you.
H's office?
Copy that.
Yep. We'll come meet you.
Copy that.
Do you think that whatever attacked them out there is... I don't know. Do you think that whatever attacked them out there is...
What?
I don't know. Like, what if it
Has their
got a taste
scent
for
or
blood and
something.
now it's
What?
gonna track
I
them
don't
down?
know.
Like, what if it got a taste for blood
doubt
and
it.
now it's gonna track them down? I just feel like if we stick with
I
them,
doubt it.
we're sitting ducks. I don't know. I
I
just
really
feel
don't
like
think
if we
that
stick
whatever
with them,
attacked them out in the
we're
woods
sitting
is
ducks.
gonna get into the lodge. I really don't think that whatever
yeah.
attacked them out in the
Yeah,
woods
you're
is
probably
gonna get
right.
into the lodge. Come on.
Okay,
Let's go call
yeah.
for backup.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Come on. Let's go call for backup.
Pretty weird to see this place so dead.
You never came down here at night while camp
Pretty
was in
weird to
session?
see this place so dead.
You never
What?
came down
No,
here at
did
night
you?
while camp was in session? Couple times. Yeah.
What? No, did you?
Couple times. Yeah. Where are you going?
I
Where are you
I
going?
thought I just heard my name.
I didn't hear anything.
I thought I just heard my name.
I didn't hear anything. I don't think Nick's injuries are as bad as we thought. I don't think Nick's injuries are as bad as we thought.
We don't know that.
No, it's true. Caitlin said.
So all I'm saying is that
don't
we are
know
not
that.
professionals.
No,
okay,
it's
we
true. Caitlin
don't
said.
know.
So all I'm
He-
saying is that
he
we
could
are
have
not
rabies
professionals.
or something. Okay, we
Way to be
don't
optimistic,
know.
man.
I'm
He
just
could have
being
rabies or
realistic.
Way to be optimistic, man.
I'm just being
We gotta
realistic.
call for. Anyway, yeah, but like, what should I ask for? Like, police, ambulance?
Huh. Cops. Yeah, don't fuck around. There's hunters out there trying to kidnap us.
So they'll say, 911, what's your emergency? And I'll say, help, help, my friends may have been attacked by bears, but maybe not a bear, but definitely an animal with teeth. And then one of them was kidnapped by these hunter guys with blood on their faces, and there may have been shots fired, but not by us, but also maybe by us. And they cut my friend Jacob down from a tree. Separate incident. Long story.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Dead.
Well, that's weird.
Phones go dead sometimes out here.
Right when you're about to call the cops, though?
It's a coincidence.
Did you try the hang up thingy?
What?
Here.
What are you doing?
I don't know. It's what they do in movies when the phone goes dead. You tap on the little thingy.
We're not in a movie.
Okay, well, how do you know that? Maybe that's just what they want you to think, man.
Okay, so this phone's a no-go. No one has signal. Is there anywhere else in the camp that has a landline?
Well, not a landline.
What?
The radio hut has some old broadcast gear.
Where you do your announcements?
Where I curate my sweet summer jams, yeah, and where I do the PA announcements. It has some old equipment there. I think we could probably rig something up and get a message out.
All right, yeah. Let's head over there and see if we can contact somebody. Put that back, Dylan.
You gotta be fucking crazy if you think I'm gonna go out there without something to defend myself.
It's more of a safety concern.
Oh, do you think I'm gonna shoot my eye out?
Or your whole head.
Don't be a dick, man. I know how to use this. Okay.
It's probably the weather.
What weather, Ryan?
Maybe it was the bears.
Bear. And why does everyone blame everything on bears? Okay, so for the sake of argument, what if that bear that cut our phone line and just cut out all the power, what if that bear is waiting for us out in the hallway?
Fair point.
Thank you.
We should probably tell Caitlin that we're going to the radio hut. They're probably freaks.
Yeah, okay, yeah, let's go.
Oh my god. Yeah, we should probably leave that with Caitlin.
Well, maybe we should just leave her with your gun.
I'm a much better shot than you.
You don't know that, okay? I might be an amazing shot. I might be.
Just give her your gun.
All right. You're right.
Hey, we'll still have mine. If you're extra nice to me, I might let you hold it.
Don't write a check that your ass can't cash.
My ass has got quite the bank account.
Am I interrupting something?
Chin up, big guy. I wouldn't really know what to do with it, okay? I trust you. Oh, thank you so much, Dylan. You're so generous and handsome. Yeah, no problem. Don't mention it.
Oh, good to see you. Good to see you. That time again, is it? Strength. Strength can be surprising. Knowing one's own raw power, tapping into a previously unknown energy. I suppose there are forces at work within us all. And with one hand it gives, and with the other it could rip away. As always, there's more to see. And as always, the choice is yours. Would you like to see more? So it's goodbye again. I'll leave you with this. Remember who your friends are. Remember who's looking out for you.